We're excited to announce a major SeedProd update packed with time-saving features and powerful ways to personalize your website. Get started quickly with 3 new website template kits and effortlessly pull in dynamic WordPress content using our new dynamic tags. Save hours of design time by choosing a pre-made kit that aligns with your industry and style. First up is the car maintenance website. It's a modern multi-page theme perfect for businesses in the vehicle service industry. Its clean and polished look is suitable for virtually any website, while a well-structured layout makes it a breeze for users to navigate and find information. With a mobile-friendly design and the ability to fully customize every element, you can easily adapt it to match your brand. The pages included are home, services, about, contact, and blog. Next, we have the laundry services website, and if you're looking to give your laundry or dry cleaning business a modern, polished online presence, this kit has a clean, user-friendly layout that makes it easy for customers to find what they need. It covers all the essential sections, from a captivating header to a spacious main area to show your services, and a footer packed with your contact details, social media links, and anything else your customers need. This kit includes the home, services, about, contact, and blog pages. We also have the new photography website. This kit features a clean, minimalist look that puts your images front and center. With a sleek grid-style gallery, it's super easy for visitors to explore your work. Beyond the gallery, you'll find striking sections perfect for showing your services, sharing client testimonials, and offering a glimpse into your business story. The site kit includes home, projects, services, and contact pages. Each of these new themes works seamlessly with dynamic tags. These versatile placeholders automatically pull in content from different areas of your WordPress website. Simply click the new Insert Dynamic Tabs icon in any of our standard blocks. Choose from over 25 tags to easily display post data, author information, comments, and more. For example, automatically display the number of comments on a blog post and link directly to the comments section to boost engagement. You can now use these dynamic tags in very creative and multiple ways, such as boosting author profiles, user-generated content, and maybe even custom footers. You'll also find a new dedicated dynamic text icon inside many of SeedProd's blocks, making it easy to add personalized dates, times, and custom query parameters to your content. Make sure you have the latest version of SeedProd installed. This is where you'll find the new theme kits and the dynamic tags feature. If you're new to SeedProd, get started with SeedProd Pro by visiting seedprod.com or clicking the link in the description below. And of course, if you have any questions along the way, our friendly customer support team is here for you. Thank you for helping us make SeedProd the best WordPress website builder.